Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how I prep my home, and because there are a few guests who will be coming over, so without further ado, let's get started. So I start from my bedroom because I would like to keep both my bedrooms neat and tidy so that if they want to stay over, they should have absolutely no problem. I like to switch up things. Sometimes I'll switch things or add few extra knickknacks so that it gives a visual change to your rooms or to your bathrooms or to your kitchen. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll add few soaps and shampoos so that they can use it at their ease. Because I have a turf grass on my balcony, I would like to clean it because whenever kids are involved, we need to make sure that everything is neat and tidy. I also like to turn on my diffuser beforehand so that whenever your guests or your friends and family are coming over, the moment they enter, there is a beautiful aroma. I am adding little extra flowers so that it redefines my home. Dining tables are always messy because you will always find some food particles on it all the time. So I will clean them up pretty nicely and light a candle so that there is aroma everywhere. I like to keep my home clean and my kitchen extra clean because that's where oil and masala gets spilled. And once that is done, I am going to go ahead and prep the meal. It's going to be an all vegetarian meal and a typical Bengali one. After the kitchen cleaning is taken care of, I will go ahead and cut the vegetables, and soon after that I'll start cooking it. I like to peel the first layer of the cabbage. I don't know why, but I've seen my mom doing it, so I do it as well. I'm usually an early to bed and early to rise kind of a person, so preparing all this meal was done in no time. This is a typical Bengali chutney, a sweet one, and if you would like to know the recipe, let me know in the comments down below. I would certainly make one. So with this we have come to an end of this video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel down below, and don't forget to turn the bell notification on as well, so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.